Hello everyone. So today I will be explaining how I created a chatbot, a Q&A chatbot using Llama model. So first of all, from LangChain we import all the necessary things that we will be requiring in order to create this chatbot. We are using Hugging Face embeddings, and we are also using C transformers, and there are other things that we require as well. Now we need to create a Pinecone API key. Pinecone is a vector database and machine learning platform designed for managing and searching through large scale vector data. It has a vector database, and it provides efficient search and indexing. So we will be creating an index. It is very easy. You have to simply go to Pinecone documentation and do a basic sign up and login. So in order to create this index, we simply create the index name and we enter our dimensions. In our case, it is 384, and for here we're using cosine, and we can easily create a serverless index. Now we also have to create an API key, which is also very simple. We simply enter our API key and name of the API key, and then we can easily hit create API button to create the index. So, but this is the default API key. Now, after doing that, after creating the index and generating the API key, we will be using that API key like so. And then after that we will have to load the PDF that we will be doing Q&A on. So in order to load that, we have a load PDF function which takes data, and it loads using loader to load. It is loaded, and in order to extract the data, we simply use this function to extract our data. Now we have to create text chunks. So for that we're using recursive character text splitter from LangChain again. The chunk size is 500, and chunk overlap is 20. So using this, the 500, taking 500 as chunk size, the text is splitted and then it is applied on this extracted data. So this will return the text chunks. Now, if you want to see the length of our text chunk, it is 35. Um, Now we are downloading Hugging Face embeddings um, from the model called Sentence Transformers. This is the name of the model. So from here, we will be downloading our Hugging Face embeddings, and we are initializing these embeddings, and we'll be simply viewing this. So this has transformers, boolean, and normalize. So these are the three things. And the model name is sentence transformers all mini reader. And in order to see the length of our embeddings, so the hello world, this will the embeddings will embed this query, and if you look at the length, it is equal to 384. So this is the length of our embeddings. Now from Pinecone, we'll be importing Pinecone and serverless spec, and we will be initializing our um, Pinecone instance with the help of API key. So the API key that we generated will be useful here. So we will simply be mentioning our index name, and we have to do this. So if we describe the index, it is dimension is 384, full index, all of these things. So these are the things I did to try it with OpenAI APIs, but unfortunately they were built, so I could not do that. Now we are simply using os.environment. We are just like storing this API key into our environment. So, and after this, we are using, this is the main thing that we will be using. So, Pinecone vector store. From this, we are using from documents function, which will take text chunks, embeddings, and index name, and it will create an instance of Pinecone vector store. Previously there was a different function. It has been that function is depreciated, so make sure you use this. After this, we can simply, since my data is a PDF regarding the laws of abortion in Nepal. So, since this document is like that, so we will be asking a simple question of like what is abortion. So it will search through all. It will do a similarity search. It is basically a similarity search. So whatever the thing you provide here, it will find out the most similar thing that is present in the document to that, and it will give that as a result. So, doing this, we get our answer. Abortion service means the abortion service performed in a licensed health institution by the licensed health worker under fulfilling the process under this order. So, these are all the things that were present in the document. The exact lines are pasted. The model is not able to form it in an intelligent way, like it is not able to interpret it or to describe the things in its own language. It can just give you copy paste answer. So that is kind of difficult to directly create a chatbot on. But if you want to do a simple question and answer, if something is directly written in the text, written in the data, and you want to extract that, then this model can be really helpful. So this was all about creating a chatbot using a llama model. Thank you so much